Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to create a circle function in Python using the turtle module. The turtle module provides a way to draw shapes and create graphics in a simple and interactive manner. Before you begin, ensure you have Python installed on your system. You can download Python from python.org. The turtle module comes pre-installed with Python, so you don't need to install anything extra. To start using Turtle, create a new Python script and import the module. Now, let's define a function to draw a circle using the Turtle module. The draw_circle function takes a radius parameter and uses the turtle.circle function to draw a circle of the specified radius. To use the draw_circle function, follow these steps. The complete code looks like this. Save your script with a .py extension, example circle_function.py, and run it using a Python interpreter. You should see a window pop up with a circle drawn on it. Feel free to experiment with different radius values and explore other functions provided by the Turtle module to enhance your drawing. Congratulations! You've just created a simple circle drawing function in Python using the Turtle module. This is a basic example, but you can build on it to create more complex drawings and graphics. ChatGPT